Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to display map pin details by default in the Divi Map module. Enabling this feature can make location information more accessible to your visitors, highlighting key details without requiring extra clicks. This is especially useful for emphasizing important places or instructions on your site's maps, improving both visibility and user engagement. Let's dive right in and learn how to configure this setting. If you're looking to display a map pin's details window automatically in the Divi Map module, the easiest way to achieve this is by using the Show Details by Default option available in the Divi Booster plugin. This option is located in the marker settings and ensures that the info window for the pin is open as soon as a visitor views the map. This is particularly helpful when you want to highlight important location details and make them instantly visible, without requiring any additional clicks. It's a simple way to boost accessibility and improve the overall experience for your site visitors. For more information on Divi Booster, you can check the accompanying post. To get started, open the page you're working on in the Divi Builder. From there, you can add a new map module to your layout or select an existing map module if one is already in place. Once you're in the map module settings, look for the option labeled Add New Pin. Click this button to create a new marker for your desired location. This will allow you to start customizing the pin for your map. Now that you've added a new pin to your map module, it's time to enter the details for your location. Start by filling out the relevant fields in the pin settings. You'll want to add a title for the location, which will serve as the name of the pin and include a description to provide more context or information. These details will be displayed in the pin's info window when it's open, offering visitors all the essential information at a glance. In the pin settings panel, locate the option labeled Show Details by Default. Simply toggle this setting to Yes, and this will ensure that the pin's info window is open automatically when visitors view the map. This is a quick and effective way to immediately display the relevant location details on your map. Once you've completed adjusting the settings for your map pin, the next step is to save your changes. Simply save the settings within the map module and then publish or update your page. This will ensure your map, complete with the Auto Open Details window, is live and ready for your visitors to see. To confirm everything is set up correctly, visit your page on the front end. You should see your map displayed with the selected pin, and the info window should open automatically. This will show the title and description you added for the location, giving your visitors immediate access to the key details. And that's it. Your Divi map is now set to display pin details automatically, ensuring that important information is immediately visible to your visitors. This small adjustment can greatly enhance the accessibility and impact of your map. Thanks for watching.